Hello guys, our next video topic amino acid in biochemistry. Smallest amino acid glycine, highest molecular weight tryptophan, lowest molecular weight glycine, most basic arginine, most acidic aspartate, lowest pi, isoelectric charge aspartate, highest pi arginine, maximum occurrence in polypeptide isoleucine, minimum occurrence in polypeptide tryptophan, pKr near physiological pH, average 7, histidine, most non-polar side chain isoleucine, most polar side chain arginine. So this is amino acid nature and its compound in biochemistry. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.